Today I flew all the way to Tokyo for the Japan Mobility Show. And they have everything from cars, to scooters, to wheelchairs, to even Honda Elite private jets. What kind of weird things does Japan have in store? Let's go check it out. This Tokyo Big Sight building is the home or the convention space for the Japan Mobility Show. Look at this electric scooter thing. It has 3 wheels on it and like a little storage component here. This one has like a roll cage and a windshield. Why don't they have this in America? I love this place. This is called the A-Wiz or the A-Wiz Pro. Don't know what this is, but I'm gonna film it. Interesting things. Wow, why is that spinning? Is Lexus getting into the side-by-side business to compete against Can-Am and Polaris? I mean, I already like the tires. I mean, come on, look at this guy. It's definitely not electric. Yeah, that is not electric. I feel very underdressed. Everybody's wearing suits. I'm wearing a t-shirt and jeans. Look at this, it's like a briefcase that turns into a scooter. Check out this wheelchair. It's made by Honda, and she's controlling it by her upper body weight. Just by moving her body, it turns it, and it makes it go forward and backwards. That's kind of amazing. I love this. Look at this, there's 2 people cruising in these, showing off these wheelchairs. This is amazing. Only in Japan. This is a wheelchair made by Honda. It's called the Uni 1, and it's kind of like a Segway, but built into a wheelchair. So they told me I could give it a try here. I'll sit down. Fasten my seatbelt. Oh, we're up. Posture straight. Forward.
Yeah, you're doing all right.
Okay.
You want to go bend and then knee a little forward.
Okay. Just lean. That's it. You just lean. There's no hand controls. See if I can turn it. She's turning it.
Whoa.
Oh, I'm twisting it. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go this way. I'm going this way. Nope, just kidding. I'm going this way. Okay, let's see if I can turn. Turn, twist. Wow. It really is like a Segway. Okay, then once I want to finish, sit down, I just swipe on this thing, and there we go. Japanese media, check it out. You've got this big old computer, everything going live. You got this guy that's running the audio, and he also has the live stream on like a phone. And then you've got the camera person over here, and then look at the actual reporter. For some reason, she has bats on her head. Okay, now my friend Kim is trying it. We came here to look at electric cars, and we're sticking around for the wheelchair. Look at this Lexus. The car doors open like that. Like, look at the back one. Is that not the most comfortable looking car you've ever seen? I'm sure it's a concept. I bet those doors don't even actually open and shut. This guy's doing his job at the Swiffer. He is elite. Yes, yes, get it. Oh yeah. This is a company called BYD. They're very big in China, and one of the things I like is all the girls are ready to help you. Like, look at them. They're standing so still.
I know.
And they're just waiting. Wow. Oh baby, we have found the Mercedes booth. They've got the concept for the EQG. We know that I rode in this out in Austria. It's gonna be a beast. And I think it's coming out sometime in the spring this next year where they're gonna start doing some stuff with it. I am giving out some awards today, and the award for the ugliest concept car goes to Subaru. I'm sorry, Subaru, I don't know what this is. Not even my favorite colors of the blue and the gray could save it. It is the strangest looking concept car. But on a positive note, they do have a flying car concept, and I am all on board for flying cars. I think that sounds great, but wow. No thanks. Subaru. Check out this wall. The entire thing are Hot Wheels. Little Hot Wheels. See, look. There's Lightning McQueen right there. What a cool wall. Did you know that Mazda makes a Roadster? Yeah. This is not the Tesla Roadster, this is the Mazda Roadster. If you follow my friend Zach from Jerry Rig Everything, his wife Cambry uses a wheelchair, and they have a Model X, a Tesla Model X, that is a very good car for her to drive around, and they were able to adapt it and change some of the controls so that she can control it with her hands. You also might have seen that he is selling his Tesla Roadster to use some of the money for his wheelchair company. Well, Mazda has an actual wheelchair that is here that is a ultra lightweight wheelchair, but this Roadster is a self-empowerment vehicle. It is specifically designed and made for people that are in a wheelchair. And I honestly think that's really cool. You don't see a lot of that at car shows. So let me show you some of the things that make it unique for a person that uses a wheelchair. First of all, the cool thing that you'll notice that it is a convertible, so you can open and close the top. As you transfer from your chair into the car, it does have a pad right here that goes up, but that is kind of nice for you to be able to sit, make that transfer over. Now there is a pedal down there. There's just one pedal. Oh no, there's two. There are two pedals. Okay, so there are pedals down there. So I would imagine you can drive it as a regular car. It comes pre-installed with this turning knob on here. And then right here, there's the horn. That's how you honk it. I kind of want to push that. And then another thing that you have to do is you have to put your wheelchair somewhere. So they put this cover that already comes installed so you can set your wheelchair. Once you sit down, you take the wheelchair apart, you throw the wheels in here. I've seen Cambry do it before, and you set it all there, and then you get in your convertible and you just drive and enjoy the wind through your hair. Obviously, it doesn't look like it's a left-handed drive right now, so I don't know how widely available this is. I haven't really talked to anybody from Mazda, but I saw this, had to film it. Definitely one of the coolest things that a company is doing here, that they're highlighting in an entire area right here just for that car. Good job, Mazda. Check this bad boy out. Mazda unveiled this car, which is a concept car, but this is how you do a concept. Mazda Iconic SP. I mean, give me a break. How cool are the doors, the logo on the front, the headlights, very sleek. The red color, of course, is amazing. I would drive a Mazda if it looked like that. Absolutely, 100%. This is the Mazda booth. Hey. We're here to look at a car by BYD. It's a big company in China. This is a concept car that is meant for the off-road. It is amphibious. The water level can go up to 1 meter. And also, you've heard of the G-turn with the G-Wagon. We've done that before. Well, supposedly this concept car does that too. And they're gonna do it right here in this room.
From BYU, huh?
Not BYU, BYD.
You said BYU.
Did I say BYU?
Yeah.
Oh, whoops. BYD. BYD. When you do the G-turn in the G-Wagon, it's very violent. And you have to spin those wheels really fast. So this must be like a thing where it turns easily and turns slowly, because with all these people around, there's no way that we could safely do it in here. There you go, BYD, I like that. It's like the slow version of the tank turn. Look at this, we've got an automobile license plate exhibition. What is happening here? I mean, I want to check it out. Let's look at all the license plates. Oh yeah, all kinds of license plates, special sites. Man, I love it. Like, look at all the license plates. I mean, why not? License plates are cool. There's Mount Fuji right there. They can exhibit based off of them. And then I guess here's some of the older ones. Wow. I don't read Japanese, but that looks very old. Oh, look at that one. Michigan, Ohio. Out of all the plates in America, we get Ohio, Michigan. Congrats, Michigan and Ohio. Thank you for representing all license plates of America. Look at all these garbages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different garbages. It took around 7 minutes in this demonstration to swap out both of the batteries, and I really like that idea. I think it could be something that possibly we could see in the future with cars in America. This is the main press conference for Nissan. The place is packed. This is press day. This isn't just consumers that are here, and it's standing room only. We got here an hour ago. Let's talk about the CEO interview. I would say overall, really good questions. People from all over the world asking really, really good, smart questions. But the last question was from my friend Kim Java. She has a YouTube channel, used to be called Like Tesla, now it's Kim Java, and we've known each other for years. She asked a question that, how do I say this? When she asked it, the way that he answered it immediately, I got really awkward, because as soon as she asked the question, the CEO kind of like laughed and said something, shot back basically saying that she's wrong, and then he answered the question. And was it awkward for you?
It was super awkward. I'm still like cringing about it.
Well, the Nissan EV adoption is high, by the way. We have 58%, okay?
I think I definitely hit a hot button for him and offended him inadvertently. I feel kind of bad about that.
See, I know she feels bad, but I think there's a couple things. You're gonna need to go watch her video. I'm gonna link it down below and you can see her full review of Japan, of all the research that she's done. Part of me wonders, because she was the only one that said Kim Java from Kim Java YouTube, like we're the only ones not from like some professional publication, like does that immediately take our credibility down and make it think like it wasn't that well researched? And then two, he said right away that Nissan actually has 58% market share in EVs, but maybe there's a little confusion in what he was thinking because really the market is 2%. So he has 58% of the 2%, which that's nice, but still that's very, very low compared to other countries. And then the third thing I can't help but think about is it because she's from America and she's a female? Was there immediately something like, what is Nissan doing wrong in your own country that you don't have enough EV market share? Like that's kind of like maybe the way that he took the question. So immediately he snapped back and laughed about it. But it was really awkward and until she explained to me what the video is that she's doing, and she's incredibly well researched, I don't know, I felt a little uncomfortable with that answer. So I'm sorry, Kim, but you did awesome. You nailed it. I watched it back 3 times on my phone and I was like, no, she nailed the question. And it was just that first little part. Obviously, I think like you said, you hit a hot button, but unfortunate end to the CEO press conference because I'm sure they're doing a good job here. Their cars are amazing. We're about to see this car that, I mean, look at that. It looks like a DeLorean from underneath the cloth. I know I'm gonna like this car and I love the concept that they revealed the night before. Just a little sour note at the end of the CEO part. The bad news for me is that it's in Japanese, which I shouldn't be surprised by, but I have to wear this to listen to it. So I'm gonna show you the cool shots of this car that I swear is from Back to the Future, and I think they're gonna drive it into the screen and it's gonna fly away. Right.
We are going to start the photography session.
They're doing a photo shoot for press, so this is the left side.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands. Be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
Look at them all though, they're loving it. The photo shoot is now on the right side of the stage. Look at them. Look how excited they are over there. This guy is so popular here in Japan. Look at this. Everybody, press wants to go and this guy is like, absolutely not. Do not go up there, everybody. And if we're giving out awards, obviously I'm going to be biased because Nissan sent me out here, but in reality, their concept supercar looks really, really cool. I love the way the doors open. I love the way the tires are. The inside is like a video game, futuristic thing inside of there. This actually needs to be inside of a movie ASAP. The CEO is awkwardly holding hands with this guy next to him. It's like a handshake, but not shaking. Oh, good bow. Yep, that's good. Yep. This is a Toyota pickup truck that is also, I think, a bit of a concept. I mean, are you gonna go off-roading with that steering wheel? It's like the Tesla steering wheel, but very, very cool looking. I have to say it does remind me of like a smaller version of the Rivian pickup truck. Another side-by-side, Toyota, and this one has 2 motors in the front, so I'm guessing it looks like it's electric. I mean, definitely not polished, but it actually looks like something that is functional. Like they could use this. I mean, the shocks aren't super big, but yeah, I mean, look at why are all the wires out here. I bet you could drive this. Okay, this car is sick. This is at the Toyota booth. And again, another concept, I'm seeing a theme here, but this thing is so good looking. Like what? Look at the front of it. GR. Wow. And if you look on the inside, this thing is beautiful. It looks like 3D printed handhold thing there. Look at this. It's like a cell phone on both sides. And then the steering wheel. Ooh, that's nice. Heads up display over here. The blue racing chairs inside. I don't know what this is, but it feels more real than a lot of the other ones. FTSE. I want to drive that. Look at that. It's like a Nintendo power-up box. I want to go hit it with a hammer or something. So earlier we tried to get one of these capsules over here, this toy thing for Ben's son. They said no, watch this.
Sorry, you cannot do that today. Oh, no? Sorry. Oh, not holiday. No, Hurricane days. Oh, okay. Sorry. Can I take one of these? For my son? Actually.
Oh, so nice.
Thank you so much.
Look at that. Look at that. How nice is that guy?
Success.
He actually gave him one.
Success.
Earlier, he was fending people off like crazy, and I felt bad for him. It was a tough job. And instead, he's like, I want to get for my son. It really is for his son. Well, there's some more of the ladies. Wow, look at these. These are so cool. 1931 for that little guy. 1957. 1970. Look at this little car. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta keep looking. Oh, this one's from when I was born. Never seen this car before, but it looks old like me. 1999, 2002. What else do we got in this place? Look at that little concept car. So Ben, I'm seeing a ton of cars here that I like, that are really cool, but they all say vision or concept on it. What is up with all the concept cars?
That's what this show is all about. It's all about what's 10 years out from reality, but some things are probably even further than that and will never come to reality.
Yeah, so Ben is doing an entire video on basically a lot of the concept cars that are here, some of the positive things about them, some of the negative things about them, kind of the history of it. I'm gonna link Kim's video down below, and then also I'll link Ben's down and you can check out like the history of concept cars, some of the other cool things, because he's a lot smarter than me on breaking stuff down about these concept cars. I'm just like, oh, they're cool, look at the doors, how they open. This girl's not even moving, she's just there all day. Just standing there. It's impressive. Look at this guy. Yamaha has like a motorcycle looking car, and it's called Revs Your Heart. Revs Your Heart. Not Rev Your Heart, Revs Your Heart. Look at this motorcycle. But then when you come in, it's not a motorcycle, or it's a three-wheeled motorcycycle that you can put Pelican cases on each side, a tote on the front, with an emergency button for something. Who knows what that's for? What is happening here? What is happening? This guy looks fast. Wow. Hello. What is this guy doing? We found the only Tesla in the Japan Mobility Show, and it's not even here by Tesla. It's by this company called EV1 Change. It's a change company or a charge company. Oh, look, Unplugged Performance. Ooh-wee. I don't think I'll ever have a bullet bike, but it doesn't mean that I will ever not want one, if that makes sense. They just look fun. Found a beautiful Mercedes EQS, and it's a charging station. That girl stands there with the charger all day. Concept car over there, it's like an SUV, it's got the wing doors. This one's called the Hyper Funk. Nissan Hyper Funk. Let me know your thoughts about the Japan Mobility Show, the car show essentially. What did you like? What did you not like in this? And make sure you check out the videos of my friends that were here with me in the link in the description. Look at that, wings. Those things are open right now, those doors. I was filming over there for like 5 minutes waiting for those doors to open. And then I walk away and they open. That's the way it always works, right? This must be like the tea room. I'm gonna see. Oh. Wow, okay. Why is there a giant saw stuck in the ground right here? I mean, to be fair, Subaru is not known for having like the most attractive cars, and they attract a certain crowd and people. I know when we go to Alaska, everybody drives Subarus up there and they put so many bumper stickers on it. Where are these people going? They're all walking in our line. I don't know what's happening here. Where are they going? I don't know. I kind of want to push that